Gates open, they're up and racing. Ideal View draws for your lead, moving up, hammer it home. Prince Carlo is by the rail, sneaking in down on the inside. Renzi stays. Hot Gossip comes next, then followed over on the outside by Make No Mistake. Carmelita running fourth last, third last, Wow Wow West. Then moving up on the outside, J. Nicole and Hakuna Matata is in behind them. As they round the 3/4 mile pole, we have Ideal View in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Hammer it home, pressing up on the outside. In between runners, Renzi stays. Joining them on the outside is Hot Gossip. Then comes Prince Carlo, 9A, Make No Mistake. Carmelita sneaking in his strike force. Wow Wow West, J. Nicole, and Hakuna Matata in that order. Past the last 800, we have two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Ideal View back to a length lead. Hot Gossip is in second. Down in third is Renzi stays running in fourth. Hammer it home as they pass the last 600. Ideal View back to 2 lengths lead. Hot Gossip remains in second, moving up once again on the outside. Hammer it home. Renzi stays sneaking in down on the inside as they turn to the last 450. Ideal View still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Renzi stays moving up by the rail and on the outside. Hammer it home with the last 150 more to run. Ideal View back to 4 lengths lead. Renzi stays and on the outside. Hammer it home with the last 75 meters. It's all Ideal View. Second, Renzi stays. Hammer it home. Hakuna Matata strike force for your Pentapecta.